generated 100,000 monthly sales with ROS of 6x plus for a electric bike store. This is what we gonna discuss in this case study. So in terms of the introduction about brand or niche, the client in discussion sells top quality certified hoverboards, electric bikes and electric scooters. So in terms of the client challenges, the client expressed dissatisfaction with their previous agency due to several reasons. Firstly, their account experienced a consistent decline in performance each month. Secondly, they didn't observe steady or reliable improvements in their services. Lastly, the agency charged the client excessively for their services. So why he hired us? Since the client was already in the process of seeking a new agency to manage their ad campaigns, they were specifically interested in finding a partner with expertise in a similar niche and a deep understanding of the market. So during their search, they came across one of our case studies related to the hoverboard products, in which we successfully improved the ROS. You can access this case study by clicking on the I button located on the top right corner of the screen. Account, we started with a well-structured account. This means creating separate shopping campaigns for different product category like hoverboard, e-bikes, scooters, and then dividing each campaigns into different ad groups based on specific products. This will help you better manage your budget and track your results. Optimize product feed for shopping ads. We noticed that our product title and description were not optimized for high volume relevant keyword, so we focus on optimizing them. We used dynamic remarketing to target people who have visited your website. Dynamic remarketing allows you to show your ad to people who have visited your website but didn't make a purchase. This is a great way to remind people about your product and encourage them to come back and buy. Then we tested Performance Max campaign. Once we have a good data from the campaigns, we then started Performance Max campaign without any assets, so that our ads only show up on Google Shopping Network. We also used the placement script for PMax campaign to verify where our ads were shown and how much we spent on each placement, including search, shopping and display. If you haven't watched our video about this, please take the time to do so. I suggest you to watch our video about this, as it will provide more detailed information and how to use the script and how to see that data. We then set up the brand campaign for brand related searches. Dynamic search ad setup as it works for e-commerce sites, and we were able to see traction from the relevant searches such as in terms of the results, our top converting keywords are off-road hoverboards, kids electric bike, all-terrain hoverboards and so on. You can see the top converting ad copies on your screen, which has generated most of the conversions. As a result, we were able to generate more than 100,000 monthly sales with 6x ROS. If you are running the campaigns for the similar niche and not generating the results, you can reach out to us through the contact information flashing on the screen. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.